Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record overpayments in Xero. First, log into your Xero account, navigate to the dashboard, and select the company you are working with. On the Xero homepage, look for the Reconcile X items link and click on it. You'll now see a list of recent transactions that require reconciliation. Look through the list and select the transaction where an overpayment has occurred. Choose the match option. Zero will automatically detect the overpayment. At the bottom of the page, look for the New Transaction button. Click on it and select Overpayment from the drop-down menu under Direct Payment. Enter the overpayment amount and make sure it matches the exact payment. Once all details are confirmed, click Save Transaction. And that's it. You've now successfully recorded an overpayment in Xero. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.